Welcome to another video. Bit of a sad week this week because it's Jonathan's last week and he's heading back off to Brazil. And before we get going, I just want to thank everybody who's contributed to the GoFundMe, and it's been very generous of each and every one of you. There's a word from Jonathan at the end of this video, so keep watching. And today we're going to get on with the solar panels, so let's get on it. You'll be better off throwing it, won't you, Jens?
Linke Hand oben, linke Hand oben, nee, linke Hand hier. Linke Hand hier, die rechte da drin.
Perfect doch ja nicht.
Jens, you must, James, you must film from here.
Well, is that the safe space?
Wie stellt man sich denn hin am besten?
Also so wie du dich wohlfühlst. Mach ein paar
It's not baseball.
Ist alles egal.
Wo soll ich mit dem Baum da?
Ja, ja.
Warte.
Oh,
Hey!
Oh, very nice.
Jonathan! Go get that ball.
2 shots. You got 2.
I don't know. Wie war das linke Hand unten, ne?
Linke, genau.
He's got good posture. Oh, look at that.
Far away!
Yeah.
Oh, far away. Das ist so einfach. Triffst du die jedes Mal? Ja. Inzwischen, ja. Okay. Man darf nicht so weit ausholen wahrscheinlich. Aber ihr macht doch auch so, oder?
Ja, ja. So, hier. Richtig rein.
Oh, that cut the grass on its way.
Hey, Jonathan.
Nobody now.
Sekunde.
Die Dinger sind aber leicht, wa? Ich dachte, die sind schwerer.
Nee. Muss.
War dünn, wa? Ich hätte immer gedacht, die haben so Baseballschlägerformat. So I can use you.
sizing it up.
Careful.
Correct. John Daly.
Yeah.
Ah, dann musst du den auch treffen, ey, wenn du so weit nach hinten gehst.
Oh!
Ja, das sind nur Zentimeter, oder? Erwisch den mal richtig in der Mitte, das ist ja so einfach.
Yeah, it's good. I reckon Detlef can get it in the lake.
Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah.
You know, if you practice 4 hours a day, you've got 2 shots. Hey, Detlef,
What?
4 hours a day?
Oh, I wish I could. No. It's too hot.
Oh, what a shame.
What a shame, yeah.
What?
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Good practice.
Ja, that's easier.
Hey!
Oh, very nice.
Talent. Dave.
On the next ball, you hear somebody
Yeah.
in the bush.
I get some new.
Yeah.
That's better, yeah. Easier.
Yeah.
See. Oh, easy golf.
2 meters. Try 250. Now. That's the new target is 250. But he looks professional.
He does, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I've seen it on telly.
Oh! Yeah.
That's a big shot.
Maar John.
One more.
Saving grace is there's a hill.
Ja. Wie weit fliegen die Dinger so maximal, wenn du gut schlägst? 50 Meter?
Woo!
Also bei mir 22.
I would have gone to space.
200?
220, 230.
So weit?
Ich hab-
Whoa! Oh, look at that!
Crazy.
Look at that! Well done.
It's your turn. Jim.
Oh. The problem is, I'm left-handed. So how do we?
No, no, no,
Oh.
no, no, no.
I know.
Today you must be right.
Oh, I'm at a total disadvantage. That's pretty Bill.
No, my problem.
No, I wouldn't stand behind me, Detlef. Okay. You like this?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Right. Here we go.
Woo!
Yeah.
It's still here, it's still there. It's still there.
Yeah. I didn't hit that, Detlef.
I think that went the other side of the lake, James.
I think it did.
Gibt's da noch eine Höchstmeterzahl, was mal jemand...
What it
Also,
is, it's this here. It's like. I mean, what do you?
die
what do you do?
amerikanische Tourlänge ist 280 Meter.
Okay.
Wie, und das so weit wird geschlagen, ja?
Ja. Hey!
Oh!
Wonderful.
Been a good one.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Come on in, Detlef. Show us how it's done.
Don't move it forward for an advantage.
I got a professional.
Come on, show us how
Normalerweise.
it's
Oh,
done.
hey, guy. Here you go. The ball's here, Detlef.
Oh,
Whoa!
wow.
On the move.
Got him.
I have guessed
Sorry.
not so loud.
Not bad.
Okay.
Don't
This
have
is
that
where he
there.
goes. He takes a run up.
Ja. Mit Anlauf.
No. Where did he go?
Water, water, water. Touch.
Caramba.
And you can kill somebody.
Very good.
Yeah, very, very, very good. Yeah, well, it was the wind for me. This is the wind blowing my way. Maybe if you threw the ball up in the air. Yeah, they tend.
Here goes in front. My arms are longer. I can wait. Okay. Don't move, huh?
I need a little bit space.
Here.
First here. Ein bisschen Abstand.
So we got 58 solar panels, the aluminium, all the screws, the cables, everything to now start working on this area. It's going to be a busy day.
How many blocks do we need, Jens?
Ja, normally.
The profile you can put also like this side, because you have two entries for the panel holder, one here and one here.
Okay.
So you can bring it like that or like that, but this is more stable. Just make a good distance here away that you can with the panel go down to the stone.
Here we go. Oop. One array, one whatever that's called. God, my brain. Good. So we had our lessons yesterday on how to do this, and now today we're home alone and we're doing it ourselves. So let's see how we get on. So far, so good. We're just securing this. This is a bit of a not strange method, but it works. and it's going okay. Everything is still on line for the right position. And that will be fine. Okay, now I've got to unload these, and this is all done. We've got it as straight and level as we possibly can, and now I'm going to take a break. Whew. Was hoping to get 2 rows up today, but it's not going to happen. It's way too hot. We'll get those panels off later and get them set up over there. Whew.
Top. Red hot. These are right.
The thick cups.
3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that was there, wasn't it?
More? Up?
No, I think that's bon.
There's more?
But we'll only know when we. Is it on the stone? Is it sitting on the stone?
Yeah, it's done.
Okay, well, let's take it up a little bit.
Yeah, it's so basic.
Hang on, let me get this.
It's good. Alright, how many, Jane? 1 minute.
We need to come. Let's go there. So just hold it there. Let me get this first one in, and then we'll.
I'll go square.
Oh, it doesn't look square.
Okay. Look square. Alright, 1 minute.
Just
Go square.
that's square over there. We'll have to cut this end off.
Beautiful. Good job. Good.
So, very good job. I think for 3 solar panel novices, we've done quite well. There's a little wave down there, but I think we've got it fairly level. Good job. Huh? One more row.
Yeah, tiny thing. Here, 2-0.
Yeah. 20, 19, and 19 now in the middle.
19 here.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Nice.
Tomorrow. Where are we? It's too hot. It's too hot. Yeah. Good job. Good job, Dave. Good job, Jonathan. Always room for improvement with me.
Finish today. Sorry, my friends.
It's a sad day today. It's Jonathan's last day. And he's got a lot of work to do. So instead of taking it easy, we're going to work him so hard, he's going to be thankful that he's going.
Very work today.
Yeah, got to get this middle row in. And it's going to be a scorcher. It's quite pleasant now, but it's going to get very hot. But yes, a sad day. You know, sometimes when the day just doesn't start the way it should start, the truck won't start. The battery's gone flat, and I don't know why it would go flat. It's a sign. It's a sign as not to work, and we need to move the truck because it's right where we want it. Lessons learned, never park a vehicle where you're about to do work. So much for our early start, and by the time we get that sorted, it'll be 2 million degrees here. Yeah, all we got to do is work out how to plug the battery charger into this electricity. Yeah. The day was going so well before I woke up. Didn't record anything because the battery, the camera was overheating, getting too hot. It kept turning off. But we got this framework all up, and now all we've got to do is put the solar panels on.
Oh, there's one panel wrong way with the turn. I mean, 16.
Looking good, looking good.
Hello guys. Thank you morning. I don't know, I don't have palavras. Sorry, my English no good. Eu não tenho palavras para agradecer. Agradecer pelo James, pela Cristina, por todos vocês que sempre têm acompanhado o canal da Quinta por esse, acho que 9 meses, 10 meses, acho que eu e o James passamos juntos aqui trabalhando. Eu gostaria mesmo de agradecer vocês pelo carinho imenso, pelo respeito, né, por tudo, por todo esse tempo aí que eu tenho trabalhado com o James, né, pelas brincadeiras, né. Eu sempre fui um rapaz muito alegre e eu procuro passar isso também para as pessoas, mesmo às vezes com todos os problemas do mundo. Eu procuro ser alegre, procuro, né, lutar sempre. Esse tempo que eu passei com o James foi um tempo de aprendizado. Eu já trabalhava um pouco com obra, mas com o James é que realmente eu aprendi bastante coisa. Não falo que eu sou o melhor, né, funcionário do mundo, mas eu sempre estive do lado dele para poder ajudar da melhor forma, né. Já fiz umas muita bosta aqui. No dia que eu comprei gasolina em vez de diesel. Colocamos gasolina na máquina da diga. Eu agradeço mesmo. Agradeço pelo dinheiro que vocês, pelas doações. Isso vai me ajudar muito. Como o James falou, realmente eu só estava aguentando mais tempo aqui porque eu precisava, né? Porque além de ter minha mãe que está passando por essa situação complicada, eu tenho minha família, tenho uma filha de 7 anos, tenho minha esposa que dependem de mim. Então, para mim voltar sem minha vida estar organizada era complicado. E graças a vocês, eu tô voltando bem mais leve, né? Realmente o fardo que eu tinha nas minhas costas, vocês tiraram. E eu agradeço por isso. Agradeço pelo carinho, pelo respeito, por tudo, né? Agradeço pelo canal, por todos. Muito obrigado pelo carinho, gente. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless. Thank you very much. Yeah.
It'll be alright.
You good man? I love you. I love you.
Come on.
I love you.
It's been excellent having Jonathan with us, and I'm definitely going to miss him a lot. So, yeah, it's a sad day.
One day, I'll be back.
Yeah, you'll be back. I also just want to thank everybody that's contributed to Jonathan's journey, and we're all praying that everything goes as smoothly as possible. It's not going to be difficult. It is going to be difficult, should I say. It's not easy, and I'm going to be driving Jonathan up to Lisbon Saturday. It's Wednesday today. He needs to take the time off to just sort out some things and get everything in order for him going. So he's got a busy few days. So thanks, Jonathan.
Yeah.
It's been great having him. He's an amazing character, as I said before, and
Yeah.
it's yeah, I'm going to miss him big time. So anyway,
Yeah.
hang in there, Jonathan. It'll be okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Cristina. I love you. Thank you, thank you.
We love you, Jonathan.
Yeah.
It'll be okay.
I love you too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Thanks, everyone.
Yeah. Thank you, Detlef.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Detlef.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. Thank you too.
Anyway,
Yeah.
before you go, you've got to take all those solar panels off and put them straight. Hey? All right, let's do it.
Yeah. I don't need you more.
Make sure you take all your rubbish, Jonathan. Don't leave any of your rubbish here for me to clean up. I'm only joking.
I don't need you more. That's good.
Yeah, leave them there.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Is this your egg one? That pink thing. This.
Yes. No, mate.
Not yours.
No, mate.
All right. I know.
It's my. Isso whatever. Yeah. My home. Quando tivesse em Brasil, que o Brasil very cold now.
Is it?
Very cold. I like. Beautiful.
A lot of hard work, Jonathan. All this, wouldn't have been able to do it without you.
Very work.
Yeah.
Very work.
Yeah.
Beautiful home. Yeah. Yeah.
You'll be alright.
Very work machine.
Yeah. Have you cleaned it?
Massa, 3 massa, 1 massa good, 4 no good, 1 good, 4 no good.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. My nail is specialist. Oh, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you, guys. Thank you, James.
See you, Jonathan.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Place is going to feel very empty without Jonathan. Yeah.